more than 3 grams of green tea, it is having rich vitamin K. Go to the Google, search vitamin K. Vitamin K is for blood clotting. Your blood will clot. After 15 days, your BP will come down if you take more than 3 grams of green tea. When BP is coming low, your weight will lose. BP is there, weight will come. If no BP, no weight. And 30 days, you start giddiness. When you drink green tea, you will get giddiness. You drink only 30 days green tea. After that, you want to, because you cannot drink this water. There is no green color in this world. No cold drinks, no ice cream, no bakeries. And if you drink this water, what happened to your stomach? What happened to your intestine? What is the length of a human body intestine? How many meters? Can you understand my question? An intestine is there. Nobody will teach you. Because medicine companies are living because of your stomach. Your stomach will be upset always. And only the medicine companies will get anything. It is in the mobile. 7 meter, 22 feet after 18 years.
7 meters?
Yes. It is in the mobile. 7 meter after 18 years. 22 feet. This is 20 feet.
Huh?
This is 20 feet. This is your intestine. The problem is not that. Problem is another way. 5.5 meter, small intestine. No bacteria will live here, otherwise you will be out. Your stomach, no bacteria will get inside. Any bacteria will get inside, then and there it will be killed off. Because it is full of hydrochloric acid, amino acid, folic acid, cinnamic acid. But the problem is your waste. If you eat something, some waste will come. How much waste? That is my height. After 18 years, my height is your waste box. This is your waste box, the septic tank. Ascending column, transverse column, descending column. It's a train compartment. It is not a bag. The paste will move. When it moves, gas will form. The juice will suck to the body. That is the body. Can you see any body here? No, one pipe. So the medicine companies won't show you. And when it reach here, it will be dry. After 18 years, gas trouble will start. Up to 18 years, no gas trouble. Up to 18 years, you never go to the hospital. Up to 18 years, no corona. Not even a single person dead by corona. After 18 years, only corona will catch you. And what Chinese and Japanese will do? They drink this 80 paise water after any food. No belly. Chinese and Japanese having no belly. They will eat anything in this world. Snake, rat, dog, spider, anything. After that they drink this water. That you cannot see in the YouTube. Not in the Chinese film, Japanese film. And today morning, 1.5 meter is waste there. Today morning, kitna piece nikal diye?
Count nahi kiya.
Not you, not counting only 3 pieces. Sitting and down. 6-pack muscle. It will go 2 sides. 1, 2, 3. Daily 3 will go. Balance paste is there. It will take 7 to 10 minutes. Toilet time. Our grandfather, he will take the newspaper or a magazine. He go to the toilet. He will go 2-3 times, not 1 time. He is working in the paddy field. And he bent, as will go, waste will go 2 or 3 times. What about you? Can you use the common sense, not the brain? 70 centimeter waste already there. Tomorrow morning 40 hours. 8 o'clock breakfast?
Yes.
8 o'clock breakfast?
Yes.
What is the digestion time?
6.
5 hours.
6.
Meat 7 hours. Vegetables 3 hours. Grains 5 hours. Meat 7 hours. 8 o'clock breakfast. 1 o'clock waste. 1 o'clock lunch. 6 o'clock waste, 4 o'clock snacks, 9 o'clock waste, 8 o'clock dinner, 1 o'clock waste. If it is outside weather, you will touch that
No.
and you are using sanitizer. You have to drink some sanitizer. You see the animals, birds, creatures. You don't want to go to anywhere. I will show now itself. You see that child. You see that child. You give some food. 5 minutes he flush out his body neat and clean. Below 5 years, no mask, no sanitizer. WHO says they won't catch corona. Do you know why? Because they won't keep the waste inside the body. This is your intestine? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is not your intestine. If you get down, it will come down. This is your intestine.
ये क्या दिखा?
The doctor is fooling you. Medicine companies are fooling you.
ऐसे साफ करा है इंग्लिश लगाओ.
This is your intestine. It is neat and tightly packed up.
अभी हिंदी में बात करें.
Neat and tightly, lot of layers of net is there. It is tightly packed up. And our grandfather will maintain this. He will oil this. When he take a bath, there is a small stool in the bathroom or there is a stone.